friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about fraction. This is the lecture number 2 of fraction. In this lecture we will study about methods to reduce a fraction to its simplest form and types of fraction. Method first. A given fraction is expressed in lowest terms by dividing the numerator and denominator by their HCF. For example, 27 and 72. 27 and 72. We will calculate the HCF of both denominator and numerator. The HCF of 27 and 72 is 3 into 3 equals 9. 9 is the LCF of 27 upon 72. Now what we will do? 27 upon 72 divided by 9. 9 upon 9 divided by 9 upon means divide 9 upon 9 means 9 3 is 27 and 9 8 is 72. This is the simplest form of 27 upon 72. And method number 2. The given fractions may also be expressed in lowest term by cancelling or removing the common factors in steps. Common factors in steps. What are the common factors of both? The common factors of 56 and 70 are. Firstly, we reduce these two, both number reduced by 2. Yes, 2 3 is 6 and 2 5 is 10. Okay, 2 2 is 4 and 2 8 is 16. Now, first factor is 2 and second factor is this 28 and 28 upon 35 is reduced by how you will write 56 upon 70 35 28 upon 35. Yes, these two both numbers, denominator and numerator is cancelled by 7 because 7 is a common factor. 2 and 7. 7 5 is 35 and 7 4 is 28. 4 upon 5 is the simplest form of 56 and 70. 56 and 70. Have you understood? Yes. Move forward. And now we will study about types of fraction. Types of fraction. First is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Fraction having denominator less than the fraction having numerator less than the denominator are called proper fraction. मतलब कि numerator denominator से क्या होना चाहिए? छोटा होना चाहिए. तो वो fractions क्या होगी? प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन होगी. जैसे कि 3 upon 7 न्यूमरेटर क्या है? छोटा है किससे? डिनोमिनेटर. न्यूमरेटर क्या है? छोटा है किससे? डिनोमिनेटर से. न्यूमरेटर छोटा है डिनोमिनेटर से. न्यूमरेटर छोटा है डिनोमिनेटर से. ऑल फ्रैक्शंस आर प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. एंड नेक्स्ट improper fractions. Fraction having numerator that are larger than or equal to their denominators are called improper fractions. मतलब कि न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से क्या होना चाहिए? बड़ा होना चाहिए. या और डिनोमिनेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर क्या होना चाहिए? एकदम इक्वल होना चाहिए. जैसे कि 12 upon 5 न्यूमरेटर क्या है? बड़ा है. छोटा है न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है किससे? डिनोमिनेटर से. 6 upon 6 न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? इक्वल है. 21 upon 29 ये एग्जांपल थोड़ा रॉन्ग हो चुका है. जैसे कि ये है, ये भी रॉन्ग हो गया. ये दोनों क्या है, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस है. ओके. और थर्ड में कहते हैं मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. नंबर हैविंग ए whole number part and a fractional part are called mixed fraction. We denote a mixed fraction in the form of a and b upon c. A and b upon c. Like it, a and b upon c. A is whole number part and b upon c is fractional part. Understood? Mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction, and improper fraction is converted into mixed fraction. Like it, for example, 4 and 1 upon 3. We will multiply 3 and 4, then the product is plus the number. 3 4s are 12, 1 13. 13 upon 3. Understood? This is the improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. Note: every mixed fraction can be written as an improper fraction, and every improper fraction can be written as a mixed fraction. Okay. Like this is improper fraction. Then what is the mixed fraction? What is the mixed fraction? 12 upon 5. We have to divide it. 5 into 5 to the 10. 2 is the whole part. And 2 is the quotient. Yes, and what is the remainder? Remainder is 2 upon another 5. Understood? This is mixed fraction. Understood? And like how to convert it into 3 into 2 and the product plus 1. 14 plus 1, 15 upon 7. Or 2 into 7 plus 1 upon the 7. That is 14, 1, 15 upon 7. Understood? This is the improper fraction. Improper fraction. And this 8 3 are 24. 3 is the quotient and remainder is 1, and upon 8 is the mixed fraction. Okay, and fourth is decimal fraction. Fractions having denominator as 10, 100, 1000 or any high power of 10 are called decimal fractions. How it is decimal fractions? 4 upon hand, these are two zero number. Then from right hand से लेकर calculate करेंगे, then digit 2 digit फिर लगाएंगे decimal लगाएंगे 0.04. Okay, this is known as a decimal fraction. And now we will study about another types of fractions. And now, in like and unlike fractions have the same denominators are called like fractions, whereas fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Like 6 upon 11, 11 upon 11, 12 upon 11, 5 upon 11 are all like fractions, because the all fractions denominators are equal, are same. And in unlike fractions, all the denominators are not are different. Okay, to convert unlike fractions into a set of like fractions. This is an example. Firstly, you find the denominators LCM. The LCM is 360 and the denominator is 360. What should we multiply by 3? We get 360. We will multiply it 120 upon 120. We get 12 to the 24, 420. Okay, and second is 3 upon 4 into equals upon 360. Then upon 4, 480, 8 4 90. 9 is 27, 720. Okay, and 4 upon 5 into इक्वल्स में क्या आना चाहिए 360 आना चाहिए, डिनोमिनेटर में 360 आना चाहिए। तो यहाँ पे कितना क्या होगा 360 72 we have to divide by 72 upon 72 so today it's 288 okay and next 7 upon 9 into इक्वल्स में क्या चाहिए 360 किसमें डिनोमिनेटर्स में आना चाहिए तो क्या हो जाएगा 40 अपन 4 280 अपॉन 360 एंड नेक्स्ट 1 अपॉन 8 इंटू इक्वल्स में क्या आना चाहिए 360 आना चाहिए किसमें डिनोमिनेटर में तो इसमें आ जाएगा कितना कितना 45 से कितने से 45 upon 360 understood and this all are the like 240 upon 360 270 upon 360 288 upon 360 and 288 upon 360 280 upon 360 and 45 upon 360 are all like fractions are all like fractions. In next lecture we will discuss about operation on fractions. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and like and comment on the video.